Did you offer Sandro a glass of wine?
No, Your Honor. When he arrived, he asked if we could drink the wine that was there on the ledge.
Did you give a 500 peso bill, which was wrapped like a straw?
No, Your Honor. No, Your Honor.
And apparently you poured a powder substance.
No, Your
Powdery
Honor.
substance.
No, Your Honor.
Did you offer Sandro a glass of wine?
No, Your Honor. When he arrived, he asked if we could drink the wine that was there on the ledge.
Did you give a 500 peso bill, which was wrapped like a straw?
No, Your Honor. No, Your Honor.
And apparently you poured a powder substance.
No, Your
Powdery
Honor.
substance.
No, Your Honor. Your Honor, these are already very details that need to be discussed in an
Your Honor,
executive session.
Your Honor. I think, Your Honor, these matters are part of the allegations of the complainant, Your Honor, which are now under validation of the NBI, Your Honor. In fact, Your Honor, we were also advised by the NBI with regard to that the own allegations of Mr. Sandro Mulak, Your Honor, Mr. Chair, are still under validation, even this allegation of the 500 peso bill and the alleged substance, Your Honor. So, I don't know if the NBI would allow us to answer that questions, considering that the NBI also asked us not to disclose anything, even our counter allegations with respect to these matters, Your Honor.
Still, your two clients still deny that there was no drugs involved.
Your Honor, as of the moment, they're invoking the right for self-incrimination, Your Honor, because, Your Honor, whatever question that may be asked to them, Your Honor, would be incriminating to them, Your Honor. So they're invoking the right
Because
of
according to
self-incrimination.
Mr. Mulak, during the meeting held in Attorney Annette's house, tinanong ni Mr. Mulak yung dalawa, was there any drugs involved? Hindi sumagot.
Your Honor, I think
Again, silence means yes. Now I'm asking you,
yes, Your Honor.
walang drugs involved or
Yes, Your Honor, they're denying that.
bakit ang tagal nila sumagot nung tinanong ni Mr. Mulak sa bahay ni Attorney Annette? 3 times daw.
As per my client, Your Honor, they're denying that matagal po silang sumagot. So at any rate, Your Honor, it's an allegation versus counter-allegation, Your Honor.
Okay, you let your client answer. You're only
Submit,
there
Your
to
Honor.
give legal advice.
Your Honor, nung tinanong niya po kami point blank, hindi po kami, wala po kaming hesitation. Sinabi lang po namin na no.
Ba't nagtagal ka
Wala
bago
po kaming
sumagot?
masamang ginawa sa anak
At yung
mo.
lawyer mo sinabi, they invoke the right to self-incrimination.
Yes,
Yan naman
kasi,
laging, yan ang gasgas na linya pag nabubuking.
hindi po, Your Honor. Wala pong nabubuking, wala po kaming inaaming allegations. We're denying all allegations. We're just, Your Honor, respectfully, we have constitutional rights too, and we just want our rights to be protected in this forum. There's a process that's ongoing. There's a case filed against us, and we would like to answer that in the proper forum, Your Honor. That's why we're invoking that, but not because we're guilty, because we maintain our innocence. We are not guilty. We have said this over and over. There was no hesitation when he asked us, and I said, no, wala kaming ginawa masama sa anak mo.
So, Jojo, Mr. Chairman, with your permission. So, Jojo, you're denying the sexual harassment allegation,
Yes, Your Honor.
yung angle na yan.
Yes, Your Honor.
Drugs.
Drugs.
Yes, Your Honor. No.
You still deny
Yes, Your Honor.
that there were drugs involved.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ano yung diniktik mong powder substance?
Wala pong ganun, Your Honor.
Ako lumabas sa
So,
investigation yan.
Jojo, ibig mo sabihin nagsisinungaling si Sandro?
Well, I cannot speak po for Sandro Mulak,
Kasi-
Your Honor.
I saw him personally after 2 days. Is that correct? The next day. the guy is really shaking. Masyadong apektado siya. No? Talagang na-trauma yung bata eh. So kung yung bata ganun ng reaksyon, me personally nakita ng dalawang mata ko, ikaw kilala din kita, kasama ka namin sa project, but ang sa akin lang, siyempre doon lang tayo maninindigan sa tama eh, no? Dahil so unfair, and si Nino pa, you know Nino, di ba? Alam mo, hindi na usapin dito yung issue about you, issue about the Mulak, so Sandro. Ang issue dito ngayon, yung pangkalahatan. We want to avoid this, yung ganito mangyari muli. Ang daming lumalabas na nagpuputukan sa iba't ibang istasyon, ito mga naaabuso, ganito, ganyan. Yun ang iniiwasan natin. Kaya Mr. Chairman, no, anyway, siyempre, ang lalabas dito ngayon, he said that, ganito, ganun. So, leave it to the committee kung ano man yung magiging decision nyo. But sa tandaan ninyo, hindi kami na-personal dito. Yung sa atin lang, in aid of legislation, para ma-avoid natin at maiwasan na maulit yung mga ganyang pangyayari. Pero sa totoo lang, ako, me personally, nakita ko yung bata, nanginginig siya. Sa mata ko, totoo yung sinasabi niya. Yun lang, Mr. Chair.
Dahil sa pagtanggi ng mga GMA contractors, napilitang ilantad ni Nino ang isa sa mga ebidensyang hawak nila na magpapatunay na totoo ang sinasabi ng kanyang anak hinggil sa ginawa sa kanya nila Nones at Cruz.
We're willing to nailabas na ebidensya ng text messages just to prove na hindi si Sandro yung unang nag-text. Kasi talaga pinapalabas nila sa media. Si Sandro yung unang nag-text. Ngayon, lalabas na namin. Willing na kami.
What about the NBI?
With all due respect, Your Honor, the NBI would like to maintain confidentiality of all evidence, Your Honor. However, should the complainant or the subjects, Your Honor, decide so to show it to the public, Your Honor, the NBI could not stop them so, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, you can proceed if you want to.
I'm doing this just to kasi nainsulto talaga ako nung sinabi nilang sa media na si Sandro yung unang nag-text eh. That's why I'm doing this for my son. And for all the others na dumaan sa ganitong sitwasyon na walang kakayahang lumaban. This was the first text. At 3:59 a.m. Hi Sandro, saw you kanina. Didn't get to say hi. Nakauwi ka na? That was from
That is 3:59 a.m.?
Yes po.
What day?
And then, sumagot si
Sa anong araw yun?
Ay, 20 po yung
August? July.
20 po yung gala. So this is 21 ng
21 na.
araw. Opo.
Okay.
Sir Jojo, sorry po. Di po kita nakita kanina. Naka-check-in po kami right now dito sa Marriott, sir.
Sino nag-text yan?
Po?
Sino nag-text yan?
Jojo.
Jojo.
Hindi. Yung text ni Jojo, saw you kanina. Didn't get to say hi. Nakauwi ka na ba? Okay, sumagot si Sandro. Sir Jojo, sorry po. Hindi po kita nakita kanina. Naka-check-in po kami right now sa Marriott, sir. Yun yung sagot ni Sandro. Papa. Hope to see you soonest, Sir Jojo. See you soonest.
Sino nagsabi
Sir
nun?
Jojo.
Sino nagsabi nun?
Si Sandro.
Sandro. Okay, sabihin mo lang. Kung Sandro. Para klaro sa tao.
Event, lagi lagi magbabati si Jojo kay Sandro ng, Hi Sandro, happy birthday, Merry Christmas. So matagal na silang
Okay, sige.
magka-text ng gano'n.
Proceed.
And then, nag-text ulit si Jojo.
Time.
Po?
What time?
Wala. Basta magkakasunod ito na text.
Sige. Okay.
Enjoy. Still partying? Sino kasama mo?
Text si Jojo.
Text si Jojo. Kumakain lang po right now. Kasama ko po friends ko. Sila Miss Nate and Elijah Alejo.
Si Sandro yan.
Si Sandro yung nag-text. So sabi ni Jojo, be safe. Okay? Tapos sumagot ulit si Alonzo, si Sandro ng, thank you, ano yan? Thank you, Sir Jojo. Hope to work with you. Hope to work with you again. See you soon po. Okay? Tapos, nag-text si Jojo, nabitin ako sa inom. Ha 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 ha. Sabi ni Jojo. Tapos sumagot si Sandro ng, ako nga din po eh. Tapos sumagot ulit si Jojo. Yes, soon, cast kita. Yung reply niya was dun sa text ni Sandro na, thank you, Sir Jojo, hope to work with you. See you soon po. So, siguro misa kasi may mga messages na papasok late na eh. So, ito yung sagot naman ni nauna yung nabitin ako sa inom, kesa lang sa yes soon, ikakas kita, magdidirect ako now. Sabi ni Jojo. Wow, sir. Looking forward to that too. Oh, tapos sumagot ulit si Jojo. Gusto mo ba? We have some alcohol here in the room. We can order some more. Saan po kayo, sir? Sabi ni Sandro. Belmont Hotel. Katabi lang ng Marriott's. Sabi ni Sandro, sino-sino po kayo, sir? Ha 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 ha. Just me. Sumagot si Jojo. Just me. And then, matagal na yun, hindi nag-reply si Sandro. Siyempre, yung bata, nakita niyang siya na mag-isa, hindi na sumagot. Takot, di ba? Okay, so, after a while, siguro, nung na-realize na hindi na sumasagot si Sandro, at 4:37 a.m., ha ha ha, sumagot na si Jojo after a while kasi hindi na nga nag-reply si Sandro. Ha ha ha, just kidding. Kasama ko the drama peeps. But we're wrapping up in a bit. Okay? Siyempre, kahit sinong artista na baguhan, given a chance na makasama mo yung drama peeps, you will take the chance. Dahil pagkakataon mo yun, i-market ka sarili mo eh. Makasama sila, makaparty mo. Di ba?
Siguro sabi ni Sandro, this is my opportunity.
Yes.
My cast.
That's why. Kaya nga,
I would also do the same.
naintindihan ko naman siya doon sa point na yun. Pero, sabi ko, mali pa lang yung oras. That was yung kumbaga, sermon ko bilang magulang. Mali yung oras. Pero syempre, sabi
That was
sa age
what time-
already.
that was
32
what
years
time?
old na siya, ha?
That was what time? 4
For
in
37.
the morning.
Yes po. And then, sir, andyan ba kayo, sir? Kasi nga, I'm with the drama peeps eh, di ba? So sabi ni Sandro, andyan ba kayo, sir? Baka po pwede dumaan saglit. Ha 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 ha. Kabababa ko lang po. Hindi. Sumagot mo na siya ng sure. May kasama ka?
Your Honor, please, we would like to, because we also have a copy of the
Can you let Mr. Mulak finish first before you rebut or...
we submit to that, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
Sure. May kasama ka? No po, ako lang. Kabababa ko lang po sa room ng friends ko. Ox. Sabi ni Jojo. And then, no po. May kasama ka? No po, ako lang. Ox, Belmont Hotel, 700B. Okay po, nakit po ako. Just proves na sila yung nag-text. Sila, di ba?